The FEX Industrial Linear LED Low Bay from Lithonia Lighting is an all-metallic low bay vapor-type strip that is perfect for heavier industrial applications as well as wet and high-temperature locations. It comes in 2 and 4 foot lengths and provides up to 15,000 lumens. The FEX has several mounting options: surface, suspended, and pole mounted. Installation is easy and only requires a few tools. You'll need a power driver, 1/4 inch drive, torque wrench, tape measure, safety glasses, and gloves. Before you begin the installation process, when working with electrical components, make sure you turn off the power at the main breaker. The first step in installing the FEX is deciding which mounting option you would like to use. Let's begin with the easiest method, basic installation with a cord. The first step is to measure the mounting distance based on the installation instructions. Then install the mounting brackets. Once the mounting brackets are installed, simply place one side of the FEX into the brackets and then click the other side into place. If you are using the rigid mount kit with this mounting option, insert the retaining bolt, then clip in the FEX and tighten. Another option of mounting the FEX is by suspension. With this option, you can use aircraft cable or chain. First, attach the brackets to the fixture. Then suspend with either the cable or chain. A third mounting option is through rigid conduit. With this mounting option, start by removing the end caps. Then run your branch circuit wiring. After that, attach the rigid conduit. Then reattach the end caps and clip the fixture into the pre-installed brackets. When the FEX is mounted, restore power to the FEX strip, and if properly wired, it will immediately illuminate. As you can see, in a few basic steps, you can upgrade to LED and enjoy long-lasting energy savings year after year. Please check out acuitybrands.com for the installation instruction document and for more information.